Turquoise Escapes here on Virgin Voyages Valiant Lady, and I wanted to show you a quick tour of the Sea Terrace. So we are on the 9th floor and we have a nice big room. I mean, we have done Rockstar before, so this is a little bit smaller, but nice cool modular bed. So if two people that are not together want to go ahead and enjoy, they can move the beds for you. But a lot of modular furniture, so you can move this around. You can even have breakfast, room service in bed, which is really convenient. They actually use an app for all the fun stuff like your curtains, your light, ordering room service, everything like that. You can modify the darkness and the temperature, all on the app, which is really cool. Very, modern. They give you water, so you don't have to go searching around for water. There's sparkling water and flat water. You have a nice little fridge here, which, if you're lucky, you might get a bottle of Moet waiting for you. But it's definitely comfy and cozy. There is a small closet and a small bathroom, but you're still gonna enjoy your time here. So if you come out here on the balcony, this is what everybody is excited about, having a terrace, having a sea view. We're still here in the Port of Miami, so this is our view, but once we're at sea, just hanging here on the hammock and enjoying yourself, watching the ocean view, the breeze, love it. So very excited, but this is a Sea Terrace on Valiant Lady, and we're on Virgin Voyages, and we are setting sail to Bimini and Cozumel.